Hey friends, welcome to S&A Paintings. Today we are going to unbox and review Definite Art 35 pieces professional sketching and drawing art toolkit. So here we have many stationeries as you can see. We will unbox and review all of them one by one. So let us start. Okay, so here we have a plastic bag, a plastic pouch. It has many stuff inside it. Let's open and see what all it has. Okay, so many stationeries inside this. We are going to review this one by one. First, let us open all of them. Okay, so here we have sketching pencils, 12 pieces from Morrison. Let's open. Wow, it's awesome. Very premium quality pencils. Okay, so let's keep it aside. And here we have one bag, or you can say it's a pouch for keeping all of this stuff. And okay, so let's start reviewing them one by one. Here we have the pencil from Morrison, 12 pieces, very premium quality pencils. This one is 4H. Okay, so yes, and this one is 2B. Okay, so this one is 10B. Okay, so you can see these are very good pencils, very premium quality pencils. I really like these pencils. These all are used for sketching and shading purposes. Okay, so let's keep this aside. Now we have charcoal pencils over here. So as you can see, these are also used for sketching and shading. Okay, so this one is the hard charcoal pencil. This one is the soft one. Okay, now here we have the blending stump. These are available in different sizes. It's be used for mixing. Let's keep this aside. Now we have a blending brush. It's also a very premium quality. You can see it very well. Here we have a knife, paper cutter actually. You can see it's also a very good quality. Okay, so let's keep this one also aside. Okay. Now we have the pencil extender or pencil holder. Okay, now we have these white pens over here used for detailing. And now this is a glass marker pencil. It works on leather, metal, glass and etc. Now we have a kneeable eraser. Okay. And this one is a normal eraser we use daily. And finally we have this bag for keeping all of this stuff. Okay, very good quality bag, leather bag. There are total 35 placeholders in it. You can see it very well, I hope. And let's keep this also aside. And at last we have this pouch, plastic bag for keeping the stuff. Okay, so that's all you can say. Many stationeries, I really like these things. And please hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.